Weight Watchers Freestyle. No cooking required. To cook or not to cook, that is the question. I admit it. I don't like to cook. But I also don't like to eat processed foods all the time. So I've found a few shortcuts that help me eat right, without relying on expensive packaged diet foods. I've put together a typical day, using the new Freestyle program as my guide. As you will see, most of my meals are prepared at home. In this example, dinner is takeout, but you could easily prepare a simple evening meal at home without too much fuss. Grocery shopping. You'll need a few essentials on hand as you start the program. Here are a few of my go-to foods: ready-to-eat hard-boiled eggs. I get them already boiled, without shells, and ready to eat in the deli section, but you can also boil a dozen or so and refrigerate them so they are handy. Ready-to-eat chicken breast strips, again, in the deli or with the lunch meats. Chunky, fat-free salsa. Low-fat cottage cheese. Baby carrots, washed and ready to eat. Celery sticks, washed and ready to eat. Cherry tomatoes. Apples, and other fresh fruit like bananas. Potatoes. Salad greens, pre-washed and ready to eat. Light salad dressing. Light cream cheese. Lightly salted cashews. Canned turkey chili with beans. Bay drinks. Coffee, tea. Breakfast. My go-to for breakfast is 2 boiled eggs, with about 1/2 cup of low-fat cottage cheese. I add some fat-free salsa to keep it interesting. I also drink 2 or 3 cups of coffee, to which I usually add half and half creamer, no sugar. Since the coffee, eggs, and salsa are all 0-point foods, I've only used up 5 points. If you can take your coffee black, you've only used 3 points for the cottage cheese. This breakfast is high in protein, so I'm generally good to go until lunch. In the past, when I ate things like toast or oatmeal for breakfast, I would get hungry around 10 or 11 a.m. No more, with this approach. Lunch. I like a nice salad for lunch. I start with the pre-packaged greens, and add things like tomatoes, carrots, and celery. Then I put on pre-cooked lean chicken strips. The only thing that counts as points is the dressing I add. My favorite is Hidden Valley light ranch dressing, which is only 3 points for 2 tablespoons. For a beverage, I either have water or sometimes I drink a Bay antioxidant infusions beverage, in either Malawi mango or Kula watermelon. All of these options are 0 points. Snack. I find that I get peckish around 3 or 4 p.m. My favorite snack is a banana, 0 points, and a few nuts. 1/4 cup of lightly salted cashew halves and pieces is only 5 points, and it will keep me satisfied until dinner. Alternatively, I have a few stalks of celery, with about 1/2 cup of light cream cheese. This is also 5 points. Dinner. If you've been counting along with me, you will see that I have only used 13 points so far. For me personally, that leaves 10 more points for my evening meal. Your point allowance may be different, but 23 for the day is fairly typical. One of my favorite no-cook options is Chinese vegetables with chicken, Chinese takeout, and it's only 5 points per serving. With that I can 1/3 cup of steamed white rice, 2 points, and still have 3 points left for dessert. 1 container of Oiko's 000 yogurt, Greek, non-fat, blended, strawberry flavor is perfect, at just 3 points for the entire container. Cooking dinner. If you don't mind a little cooking, and prefer not to get takeout, or delivery, there are dozens of recipes you can cook in less than 15 minutes. For example, you could microwave a plain potato, and add 1 cup of canned turkey chili with beans, for a very satisfying 9 points, 5 for the potato, and 4 for the chili. The possibilities are limitless, and don't need to be complicated. 0-point snacks. If I want to munch after dinner, I get out the pre-packed raw baby carrots, or cut up some apples, oranges, peaches, or pears. All of these are 0-point options that you can graze on while watching TV. Summing up, You don't need expensive packaged diet products to be on Weight Watchers. Also, all of these foods are things that the rest of the family should enjoy. It's simple and convenient. If you have other ideas, I'd love to hear them in the comments section below.